This is the ReadiVac Eaze, and it comes with a built-in ice cream machine to give you a tasty treat while you vacuum. No, it doesn't. It does not. This is the lightest stick vacuum cleaner that runs on a battery you could possibly imagine. It actually weighs just about 4 pounds. And it has a very good runtime, very good suction, and it's good for carpets as well as bare floors. Perfect for everyday stuff around the kitchen table, 5 minutes, just quick cleanups, get the hair off the bathroom floor kind of a thing. This is what it's for. Now, let me show you more. Now, very quickly, let's explore this vacuum together. Comes in 3 pieces. That means you can actually have it used in 3 different configurations. You could use it as a general stick vacuum cleaner. It's so light, so easy on your hands and shoulders. You could remove this middle piece and use it as a handheld vacuum. Get your, car cleaned or any above floor surfaces. And the 3rd configuration is when you have the top motor unit attached to the bottom brush roll, which is perfect for carpeted stairs, or if you have pet hair in the trunk of your car, floor mats and things like that. It's very, very useful. On and off button here with 3 suction settings, and the canister, not the bag, it's a bagless vacuum. The canister is located at the back. Very easily removable, and to dispose of the dirt. As a matter of fact, you get a stand to go with it, because in a stick vacuum position, this thing is going to want to lean against something. Comes with its own stand, so it's self-standing. You also get a crevice tool and a dusting brush. Again, these are perfect to be used whether you're using it at the end of the handheld position or at the end of the stick position, getting through the corners and the nooks and the crannies. So unfortunately, it does not make you any ice cream, but it is great at what it's for. For the value you're getting so much. It's a great quality machine. It has great suction. It has a great runtime. Good for pretty much any type of a floor. Perfect for everyday stuff. Very versatile. So it's definitely a yes. It's a great value for a great machine. If you have any questions though, vacuumwarehouse.ca, feel free to reach out. We will be happy to help.